Your e-commerce store can reach millions worldwide, but cross-border challenges delays shipments and increases the headache and management problems. ForceGet can help you with global selling in e-commerce. We are Amazon Global Selling Partner the last 3 years to expand to new marketplaces, set you up to a brand new company overseas, help you with the custom clearance, fulfillment, returns, and reimbursements. In 2026, one of the biggest hits actually in the world is selling global and omni-channel. If you still don't do that, it's a big risk to lose your business, your revenue, because the competition is getting bigger and bigger. I highly recommend you to start thinking about global selling in e-commerce. This way, ForceGet can help you with A to Z, all the way from factory floor to your end customers, so you actually start making more revenue and more profit and making your brand more valuable in worldwide.
Contact us today and get $500 off your shipment.